Welcome, AP English students, to Lesson 2. I'm Mr. Francavella. I was supposed to introduce myself in the first video, but I actually had to make the first video the second video. So this will be the second video content-wise, all right? First video content-wise, the second video that you get. In any case, today we're going to go into more parts of a sentence, but bigger parts of a sentence. So on this side, I'm going to go kind of fast so that I can fit this in pretty quickly and get this all on YouTube for you. On this side, we have one type of a word group grammatically, and this side we have another. The difference is this side does not have a subject and a verb. This side does have a subject and a verb. When a word group does not have a subject or a verb or has neither, then that is called a phrase. A phrase. If a word group does have a subject and a verb, it is called a clause. So phrase, clause. 2 cars and a truck, which consisted of 2 cars and a truck. Here's my subject, which. Here's my verb, consisted. Here's my subject, who. Here's my verb phrase, was caught. And so on. So, phrases versus clauses. So we are going to focus on clauses before we focus on phrases. However, these types of clauses each do not express a complete thought. Who is my friend? If you did put a question mark there and capitalize, then yes, it would. But I don't know who is my friend. In that case, no, it does not express a complete thought. It's a subordinate clause, or we call it a dependent clause. Right? So I'm going to show you another list. So, right here, I want you to think and identify, do any of these express complete thoughts? The capitalization and punctuation have been taken out so that you cannot use those as indicators. Would you like to go to a medieval feast? Well, we do have a subject, you, verb, would like. That's good, but does it express a complete thought? What do you think? Yes, it does. That is an independent clause. What the king had ordered? No, you need more information. For instance, I don't know what the king had ordered. You need an independent clause attached to the subordinate clause. Right, so this is a subordinate clause. How about because, all the way to the end? Because more than 100 people might attend such a feast or banquet, I think is what it was going to say. Because more than 100 people might attend such a feast or banquet. A lot of words. Is it a complete thought? No. You would need another independent clause with it. Because all of these things, comma, I did not attend. Where the banquet would be held. Subordinate clause, not a complete thought. I don't know. I know. How about we just add 2 words? I know where the banquet would be held. Blackbirds were really baked in a pie. Complete thought? Yes, it is. So that's an independent clause. That's all you really need to know for this. The next lesson will be on subordinate clauses. Thanks for watching.